What's up guys, BinPigs here doing another video, and today I'm doing a little pack opening. So, well, this isn't the first try I've done it. I've had to come over here to charge it because it, ran out of charge when I was halfway through recording this video. Well, I only managed to open one pack though, and I managed to find these three in it, which aren't that bad actually. Good goalkeeper. I think he's a defender. Yeah, defender. Sorry, I don't know these names. And then this guy, who's he? He's in midfield. He's Davide Carla. And I'm just going to open the pack like this. Dupe. Dupe. Cool. Oh, sick. Oh, it must be really good. Like, best player at pack. Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm not really a Ronaldo fan, but when you do get a really good card, it's special. So, yeah. Put them in the good piles. Yeah, I'll get that bronze player as well. This guy, that bronze player. I know, it's just a waste of time, but still. Oh. Oh. Right. This has Ronaldo on the front. So, you never know. Oh, wait, what? There you go. So, this guy. Perez. Whatever this guy is. This guy. Oh, it's those thingy guys. Guys, just don't judge me. I'm not really good with cards. I only know like really good players. Ooh. Who's this? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, cool. Main. Must be the main character. Yeah, that's not funny. These are all stuck together. Why are they stuck together? Oh. Oh yeah, I just wanted to mention something. So, oh no. I just looked at it and I got a good player. Decent. So yeah, we're 90 odd subscribers. If soon we can hit 100 subscribers, I will do a special vid for you guys. Okay? Because it's the first proper milestone in YouTube history. That it's like 1,000, well 500. Yeah, you get what I mean. Hundreds are like the hardest. So yeah. Right, who's this guy? He's upside down. Massimo Bruno. They don't take care of putting these people in, do they? I don't know why I put them up there. Yep. Oh, Busquets. Sergio Busquets. That's actually quite good. What? For a second I thought I got another Cristiano Ronaldo. That would be crazy. Yeah. Doo-doo. I got this guy. On to the next pack. I just hurt myself. Ow. I took the cards out and I just cut me. Cut myself. So, yeah. He's upside down. Who's that? Rashford. Nelom. Aubameyang. And Marco Reus. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Who's this? Eric Johnson. My finger hurts. Eric Khan. Whoever that is. Aguero. Oh, that's actually quite good. This. Oh! What's this? Camille Gilk. That's pretty good. So guys, Luka Modric, whatever that is, I just want to get through them quick.